and welcome. This side Rashmi Rawat, a business analyst and tutor at DecTech. So if you are a fresher or want to start as a career in business analyst, then this course is made for you. In this video, I am going to explain about the business analyst journey from stakeholder management to documentation, from requirement gathering to AI tools with real world examples. So these are the contents that we will be cover in this course. There are 12 chapters over there, starting from the business analyst journey, about the stakeholder management, SDLC model, documentation. Also we have integrated AI tools that will be useful in the business analyst. After that we will discuss on visual modeling, freelancer portals overview, and how to draft a proposal on that platform. After that we will discuss communication and project handling. Then we will go to the soft skill development, and the final chapter will be a capstone project guideline. In that, whatever you have learned from this course, we will implement it with real world projects with an example. So our first chapter is all about introduction of a business analyst. बिजनेस एनालिस्ट क्या होता है, किस तरीके से वर्क करता है, क्या इसके की कॉन्सेप्ट होते हैं, कौन कौन सी स्किल्स रिक्वायर होती हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें हम इस चैप्टर में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं विद इन डिटेल. देन वी मूव टू द नेक्स्ट चैप्टर दैट इज़ ऑल अबाउट स्टेक होल्डर मैनेजमेंट. इन दिस चैप्टर वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द स्टेक होल्डर टाइप्स, how we can handle the conflicts with unclear expectation from the stakeholders. Next chapter is about the requirement gathering technique. This is the major and core chapter in a business analyst course that is very important in every business analyst that is work in an organization. We will learn how to extract the right information from the stakeholders by doing some techniques like interviews, surveys, workshops, brainstormings, because that is very essential in business analyst role to gather the right information. In chapter 4, we will learn about the SDLC model. So there are several models that will be used by a business analyst, but we will discuss about some popular models like Agile, Scrum, Kanban and Hybrid, and we will going to understand when and how we can apply on every project. Next topic is all about the documentation. For being a BA, it is very important to draft a proposal or documentation to send to the clients. I have seen many of the BAs are confused about in which document what objective keys are have to mention. There are several type of documentation just like FRS, SOW, SRS, BRD and all of that. We will discuss each and every document in detail in this phase. Chapter 6 will be very helpful, unique and essential for being a BA, because in this chapter we will discuss about the productivity tools and AI. Just like we will use how we can use the ChatGPT, Tactic, Visually, and there are many more tools that we will use that for the real world projects. In this chapter we will cover UML diagrams, flow charts, wireframing, BPN modeling, because BA का काम ही होता है टेक्निकल कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी को इजी बनाना. In chapter 8, we will explore about the freelancer overview portals, just like for a bidding platforms like Freelancer, Upwork, TopTal and many more. We will learn about how we can develop our profile, how we can connect with the clients and how we can analyze the appropriate clients over their platforms. In front of client, our first impression is all about drafting the proposals. In this chapter, we will going to explore about how we can write the proposals in this way. In this chapter, we will learn how we can speak to the client languages, how we can handle the conflicts, how we can manage the scope creep in every project. So now, after learning about the tools and the documentation, in this chapter, we will learn about the soft skill development, just like empathy presentation, thinking, negotiation, listening the clients and many more. This is the last chapter of this course. In this course, we will implement all the things that we have learned so far. In this stage, we will implement the things from scratch to deliver the final project to the stakeholders. So by the end of this course, you will have all the knowledge regarding the tools, skills and everything that a BA must have to do. So if you want to learn and join this course, you can reach out to us. Thank you so much for watching this video. All the best for your future journey.